Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to another North Wales side-by-side video. And this is another one in the tips and tricks series. Today I'm going to give you an example of how to use the hold button that we've got situated down by the handbrake. This is a really useful function on the car. At the moment I'm parked on a hill, and I can show you I'm parked on a hill by just taking the car out of park. I'm in park, I'm not moving. The camera doesn't do any justice to the hill. But if I put the car into neutral, we're in neutral there, neutral there. I've got my foot on the brake holding the car at the moment. If I take my foot off the brake, I'm going to start moving down the hill, as you can see. Let me just reverse back up. Put the car back into park. I'm going to push the hold button, and it comes up on the dash, hold. I'm now going to put the car into gear, and you'll see it's now come up in a brighter orange, the word hold. So I'm going to leave the car in drive. At the moment I've got my foot on the brake. I'm going to take my foot off the brake. We're sat on the same hill and the car's not moving. If I just touch the throttle, that's all I'm going to do, touch the throttle, it automatically releases the handbrake. Now I've come to a complete stop with my foot on the brake. It comes back up with the word hold. I can now take my foot back off the brake. Same hill, I'm not moving. This is a handy function for hills when you're going up a hill and you're waiting to pull out of a junction, or you've stopped and you're waiting for the traffic, or you're at a set of traffic lights.
Two going west from junction.
And it's stop, start, stop, start, stop, start. Rather than sitting there with your foot on the brakes, enable the hold function, and every time you stop, here we go, we're moving again now. Let's come to a complete stop. Foot off the brake again, car still in drive, and we're not moving. The moment I touch the throttle, the system releases and the car moves. I come to a halt. My foot's on the brake, my foot's off the brake. I'm still in drive. And the car is now holding. The function has to be enabled every time you want to use it. Because if I turn the car off now, it disarms the system. So when you get back in the car and you want to use it, just push the button and it'll stay on. And the car will do exactly what I've just showed you every single time you stop. We'll move. We're coming up to a set of traffic lights, imagine. We've stopped at the lights. As soon as the word hold comes up on the dash, you can take your foot off the brake pedal and just sit there in the traffic. I've got a car coming. So I had to just reverse out of the way for that car. So that's how to use the hold function. It's a very, very handy system. One more example. Moving, 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 stop. The word hold comes up on the dash. My foot's now again off the brake and we're not moving. The moment I touch the throttle, the car moves. It works going downhill, it works going uphill, it works on the flat. It won't work if you take your seatbelt off, it disables the system. It won't work if for some reason you decide to open the door. And it doesn't work in reverse. So if you're reversing up a hill, like I am now, and I come to a stop, as you can see there, it won't hold you in reverse. But the moment I put it back into neutral, back into drive, back into B, or into P, if you put it into P, that puts the handbrake on automatically anyhow. You can see where it works and where it doesn't there. So that's the whole function. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this sort of content, please click like. Please subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing to subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much.